Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software. In front of you, simplicity and purity of the software. Software based on pure price only and Alpha Fibonacci levels. In front of you, precise entry, precise stop, precise target. Price collapses from this level, as price does more than 80% of the time. This is ultimate precision, this is ultimate purity, and ultimate reminder. You can never, ever speculate when it comes to day trading. The only way you become successful in day trading, if you operate with sniper's mentality, if you have excellent technical execution, and you strategize in the markets absolutely, calmly, and wisely. This is ultimate trade. This is overnight session. We have the highest volume in overnight session. Many traders moving to Dubai, tax heaven. Our students in Dubai reporting. Financial district is packed with traders from US, from New York. So when you come to US session and market is here, it's entirely different place. Nothing here to do. It's a bold red line. Market in pain. Intelligent trader understands this by converting this chart to 1. We're not in the space to buy. We're in the bold red zone. Powerful pullback is crucial. This is what we discussed with students well before market open. Sell-off and crash is a gift. Every single morning, intelligent trader has this chart in front. This is a brick wall. This is a bold pink line. It's not the place to buy. This is day trader's dream. So is overnight session. Now it is not. Again, this is broker's heaven. This is ultimate chop. There is no institutional sellers in the market. They do not exist. With a single glimpse every day, intelligent trader prepares with this. Crashes do not last on institutional charts. Crash lasted a couple of weeks. Rallies last for months and years. Historical high is a problem, but there is no institutional sellers. This market requires ultimate skill. When you master this, everything else is a breeze. Intelligent trader knew there is no shorts here. This chart told you this. This chart told you only when powerful pullback will play out, come back to the screen. Until then, market will test you to the core. Market been doing this for the last 3 hours. Absolutely no shorts, even at historical high. Historical high keeps being broken. Time and time again, brand new historical high is created. No one needs to be on Wall Street. No one needs to pay state income taxes because traders can work remote from Miami, from Palm Beach, from Dubai. It's entirely new trading. Are you prepared for that? Longer institutions holding long, more money is made by doing very little. Because institutional rally more than doubled in value. But there is absolutely no institutional sellers. Single glimpse is all you ever need. And that's the reason I'm very excited about bootcamp. Because when we are in the most challenging market conditions and you master this, everything else is a breeze. It's a world of difference trading this versus trading this. When you start strategizing as institutional traders do, you're spending very little time in front of the screen. You are not gambling, you are not speculating, you are not chasing markets. You understand this level holding the key. And only when powerful pullback will play out, you will be interested in this market. There are no sellers at historical high. They do not exist. After this is next. After this is next. One step at a time. But if I take you back to explain to you what this bold pink line means, here's a very powerful reminder. Here's a bold pink line on Apple. When Apple comes out with the worst earnings in 13 years, I presented the world's biggest hedge fund convention. What do I say? The most important part of this bold pink line, this key Alpha Fibonacci support, will be held. And if it is held, Apple will rally. Despite worst earnings in 13 years, Apple doubles in value. If day trading not your cup of tea, use everything for long-term positions. Can you trade once a week? Can you spend time on Friday and Saturday trading Apple, knowing weeks and months ahead where next level will be, knowing weeks, months and years ahead where reversal zone will be, understanding completely well that this is key Alpha Fibonacci support, and if this support is out, 140 would be a good place to buy Apple from. And that's exactly what happened on Apple. There is no surprise, all precise. It's not about 1 minute chart. System is so much more. System based on pure price. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. This is key pieces of a puzzle with system. That's it. You are not shorting near green zone. You are only interested in long. There are no sellers here. Institutions keep adding to their longs. That's it. And when price will come to the bold pink line, where it collapsed on Apple and any instrument again and again and again, powerful pullback is crucial. Let's open up Alpha Fibonacci System on 1 minute chart. Here starts the pullback. It's weak. We need drastically more power. So here we are, traders, at key Alpha Fibonacci resistance. This identifies historical highs that you knew many days, weeks in advance. So intelligent trader understands very clearly powerful pullback is a key. Without powerful pullback, if the price is heading higher, market will become vicious and cruel. If I convert the chart right now to 1, what do you see? This is the price for the last 15 minutes. It's a very dangerous scroll. Despite historical high, we do not see any sellers. This is the worst possible case scenario for intelligent trader. It's not an option to stare at this. Intelligent trader preserves brain power. Intelligent trader understands. This is extremely dangerous market with never-ending chop. Powerful pullback is crucial, critical. If not, this ultimate chop will go on until this level. Vicious bearish pullbacks non-stop. 2, 3, 5, 10, 11 points back and forth. It's a world of difference if you're buying the bottom versus buying the top. This was a market open. This was a stunning reminder. Despite historical high, there is no shorts. They do not exist. So if you've been shorting the market last year, If you touched more than 2% shorts, you've been trading against JP Morgan. You've been trading against Goldman traders who are only longs on S&P index on US markets. This was institutional last point of entry. This is not. It's a crawl, it's a pain. Intelligent trader understands the difference between spectacular day trading versus not. That's it. And when pullback will play out, intelligent trader will be back at the screen. No speculation here, no gambling. And it's the exact same thing that applies to every instrument. It's the exact same thing that applies to every time frame. Play by the rules and focus on quality. And when you do, the sky's the limit. So here's a very powerful reminder. Hand holding is never a recipe for success, correct? As we discussed, at the bold red line is not the place to buy. At the bold red line, price in ultimate pain. There is only one option at the bold red line, which is to short the markets. So why is this very aggressive trade? Because institutions not shorting the markets. So if you are taking such little counter trend trade, do you remember the power of bold pink line? Do you remember the importance of weakness? It's in front of you right now. This is the reason we're discussing how critical this moment is. When weakness is present, why in the world would you stare at the chart? Why in the world would you allow testosterone to trade the market for you? It's a junky little short. It's nothing you want to touch. And if price will remain in ultimate chop, you are not here now. You're only excused to be here because you are learning, you are mastering markets. It's a counter trend little junky short. That's it. So this is how software runs for you. This is how you choose your trades. There is no quality short. There is no quality long. There is only weak, junky trades that are present. If you don't like junky markets, you are not staring at the screen. There is absolutely no longs here. There is absolutely no conservative quality trades here. They do not exist. So when you start thinking as quality trader does, you start understanding that the only reason to be in front of the screen when quality Alpha Fibonacci trading levels are present. This is not quality level. This is opposite. This is fluff. This is junk. This is broker's money printing machine. Only junky shorts are here. Junky shorts because institutions not closing positions. So when you start being strategic, intelligent trader, when you stop allowing testosterone trading for you, you're spending very little time in front of the screen. You start understanding that market is not about buys and sells. Market is about quality versus not quality trading. There is no quality trading here. There are only junky trades are present. And that's how you trade as intelligent trader. And that's how you spend very little time in front of the screen. And that's how pure Alpha Fibonacci system is. So when you prepare for your trading, nowadays you're spending very little time in front of the screen. Price can be here for the next 8 hours, 28 hours, 30, 40 hours. There is no quality trades in this zone. They do not exist. only junky little shorts, because every single short against institutional traders. So when you stop jumping randomly on short bandwagon, when you start controlling your reactive behavior, when you start controlling your testosterone making decisions for you, your trading shifts to drastically higher level. All the details in Trading Bootcamp. And that's the importance of bold pink line in this lesson this morning. Nothing else is possible, only this. Intelligent trader knows this quite well. It's a counter-trend little junky short. This can last many hours, even days. Despite historical high, there is no institutional sellers. They do not exist. There is no powerful short. This chart is telling you this. So I absolutely love this comment by Joseph. Again, I have thousands and thousands of different posts to remind you. As Joseph, hedge fund manager with whom I've been working for years, constantly emphasizing the importance of this bold pink line, which identify weakness. When weakness is present, you run as far as you can. And it's exact same thing on pound yen, the most volatile forex pair in the markets. And it's exact same thing on Nasdaq that Fibonacci trades. It's exact same thing on any instrument. Do you trade stocks in Saudi Arabia? Or do you trade options? Choice is yours. You decide what you want to trade. Or if you trade Bitcoin. Or if you trade commodities or stocks. It's a very different market today versus during the start of the crisis. That was day traders' dream, when institutions were buying at the bottom. If mom of 2 little babies on her hands could do this, so can you. You decide what you want to trade. And if I take time off for students' wedding, oops, I live and breathe what I do. That's it. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. But it all starts with this. Understand the weakness in the markets. Understand the junky markets. If you choose to ignore junky markets, success does not exist. Understand broker's heaven. Understand ultimate weakness. You stop losing money, you stop losing your mind, you stop wasting your time in front of the screen. Price can be here for a long time. Walk away. That's the most brilliant option. And when you do trade with institutions, that's it. Brad is not trading this month. He understands. September was institutional dream. October was not. And that's how you trade. The power, not the weakness. So if you're joining us at the best time of the year, it's the smartest thing you have ever done. We're down to 2 spaces in bootcamp. If I did not tell you that you are in a bootcamp, you are not. If you would like to see the system in the live markets, please sign up for the trading room and review all the details online. This bootcamp will never repeat. I teach bootcamp once a year. For Brad, this will be bootcamp number 8. Every single one of these traders signs up for multiple bootcamps. So many graduates sign up for every system I will ever develop. So if you are joining us, you are very fortunate, because bootcamp included at no cost to you with any package you will choose. Group course, private mentoring includes video library and modules you can view 24/7. And if you are in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia, or Monte Carlo, If you are in Palm Beach and you cannot be here, view the videos 24/7 and you will be in a boot camp with cryptocurrency traders. You will be in the boot camp with students in their 20s and students in their 80s. Choice is yours. What you trade, choice is yours, how experienced you are. I coach exact same thing I teach to JP Morgan trader as I teach to you. Please review all the details. And if you cannot attend on average 3 hours per day, Monday, November 29th through December 10th, view the videos, pretty please. If you are the graduate of the course, I will always have space for you in a boot camp. You don't need to pay $3,000. As a graduate, you will always be honored drastically lower price. Any questions? Contact me 925-257-4298 on info@fibinstitute.com. But first listen to the podcast to your students' performance, please, and choose from system appropriate for you. Thank you so much, everyone, and do not forget, your success starts with knowing weakness. There is no power, it does not exist. There is no bigger targets, it does not exist. Understand when you trade against institutions. There is no institutional trades this morning, only counter trend, worthless, weak moves.